welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज first we'll wish happy Holi everyone. So yeah, I am all ready. Abhi it's time for some milkshake. We celebrated Holi for some time. I'll just show you the flashback ki how we celebrated Holi. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I had to change the glass because वो glass में fetch नहीं आया. Oh, so good. Okay, so hey guys. So it's been a quite long after I'm checking in. So आज अभी my plan is I'll have to wash my brushes. मेरे brushes बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गए हैं, so I'll be doing that. Then second I thought I'll show you my room. मतलब ये kind of पूरा mixture of my day in my life slash my room tours, and also I have quite a lot of things to do. So yeah, I'll be just doing that. But for now I'll just be cleaning my brushes. So yeah. So I have my dirty sponges here. मैंने एक hack देखा था on Instagram में भी कि if you dip your sponges in the water and just add a little bit of vanish, ये पूरा clean हो जाएगा. So we'll just try that today. I have quite dirty sponges. I have my water here. This is my water. इसके अंदर डाल दिया है. I'll just add 1 spoon. Let's see this works or not. Okay, so इधर अभी सारे brushes and sponges सूख रहे हैं. Till the time we'll do a quick Nykaa haul. So yeah, let's just okay. So we are here. Now let's do some mini haul. So ये मैंने first product लिया. This is the Innisfree का duo. This is the Guneet Virdi duo. So basically I wanted the green seed serum. So green tea serum and the face mask I got there. This is how it looks like. ये उनके मिनी बॉटल्स है, बट दे आर सो अमेजिंग. सो आई हैव ऑल्सो गॉट अ प्राइमर, क्योंकि मैं अपने प्राइमर से बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो गई थी. सो दिस इज़ द इनसाइड प्राइमर. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज़ द सिलिकॉन प्राइमर. सो ये एक लिया मैंने. देन आई गॉट दिस एट्यूड हाउस का लिप एंड चीक टिंट. आई ऑलरेडी हैव वन फ्रॉम फेस शॉप, बट वो मेरा ख़त्म होने को आया है. इज़न्ट दिस सो प्रिटी, क्यूट. सो दिस इज़ द वन थिंग आई गॉट. Then I got 2 eyeliners, the black one and this is the green one. I got Lakme ka. This also I got in duo, so ज़्यादा सस्ता पड़ा. Then I got this Lakme का Lumi cream. इसका मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा हाइप सुना था, so I got this. But this is so sparkly. मैंने इसको अभी तक किसी भी चीज़ को अभी तक अप्लाई नहीं किया है. So this is how it looks like. This is so shiny. I hope you can see the shine. इसका ये बहुत अच्छा एक हाईलाइटर टाइप बन सकता है. सो दिस इज सो नेक्स्ट थिंग आई गॉट इज़ माई बायोलाश का सीरम. मेरा सीरम ख़त्म हो गया था, सो आई गॉट दिस अगेन. आई लाइक इट. देन द प्लम्स बॉडी फेस मिस्ट, प्लम्स फेस मिस्ट. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो सो गुड. इसका मैंने ये सेकेंड बॉटल लिया. इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. देन आई गॉट दिस पॉन्ड्स का एकदम बड़ा डब्बा. सो बेसिकली मैंने ऐसे छोटे डब्बे काफ़ी सारे ख़त्म किए. सो आई थॉट कि जस्ट इन्वेस्ट इन द बड़ा डब्बा. सो आई गॉट दिस. देन आई गॉट द प्लम्स राइस वाटर एंड नायासिनामाइड सीरम. सो ये अभी मैं एक्चुअली अभी टेस्ट कर रही हूँ. आई एम ट्राइंग दिस. सो दिस इज़ हाउ द बॉटल लुक्स लाइक. नाइस. I like it so till now. So let's see कैसा लगता है. So got the perfume. This is ये पता नहीं बहुत लोग ने hype किया है कि Ransom से. This is very inexpensive. I guess 130-150 rupees का इतना सा है. And look, the perfume, the smell is amazing. And people say this is quite long lasting. So happy. And it is सस्ते में मिला तो why not? And then I got this बड़ा डब्बा for body lotion का. So I wanted to try this brand. So I got this. This is nice. मतलब इसका fragrance मुझे अभी तक like it's like you built it on, I guess, something like that. हाँ मतलब it's which variant? It's coconut water and mimosa flower aroma. So this is this. And the last free वाला thing I got is this plum का vanilla body oil. So I already have the Hawaiian Rumba, but vanilla is like the fragrance I don't like. मेरी बहन के पास इसका mist है and the fragrance hits me whenever she applies it. So I don't think I'll probably use this. I might give it to her only because she basically likes this. So I might give it to her. So Saturday nights usually I light some candle. So this is the candle I'm going to use today. This is my Kanauj Gulal by SG Merch. This is my candle time and this is my time to watch some YouTube videos and chill. So good night people. I'll see you tomorrow. Nice morning. I just woke up. अभी मैंने सिर्फ breakfast किया है. So now I'm planning to shoot a little bit. और बहुत दिन के बाद I'm planning to shoot. So yeah. Let's get started with the day. Okay, I just cleansed my face. Now मैं ना थोड़ा every morning थोड़ा सा oil लगाती हूँ face पे, so that क्या होता है इससे ना I saw some visible changes like मेरा pimples या तो grow नहीं होता है and the face is kind of hydrated and smooth throughout the day and also puffiness and all. This is something I do regularly every day. Use this. This is my favorite moisturizer. Now it's time to shoot some content. Who's here? She's here to help me with my makeup. है ना मीरू?
Yes.
Shooting.
Eyeshadow and blush. I'll do everything.
काई नत करवाना. नहीं. Tell me odd number.
Clown.
A clown. मीरा ये फेस पे क्या हो गया? What did you do?
Pink.
Why? She ganda bachcha. See, this is my mom helping me with some chaddar thing.
Look, my friend Bisha, what is she doing? She's doing makeup. So I'm going to show you how she does. Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you my friend. Look. She's doing makeup. Color.
I'm a bad influence.
Done.
आँख बंद करो. Should I? No, it's there. You do it. Yeah, perfect. Wow, Meera, it's looking so good. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, guys. कितना मेहनत है. अभी तो like 1 hour ही हुआ है. This is what my room looks like अभी. Such a mess. Better give me few likes and views on this videos and Instagram पे भी follow करो because बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत है and this is like too much people. This is my walk-in closet. this is how it looks like. एकदम ऊपर are my traditionals, my one pieces, my all the essentials. This is my favorite part. This is all my daily wear accessories, my some tops and pants and everything, all my bags, my cute poofy, again me, say hi. See, इधर मैंने ऊपर एकदम ऐसे डेकोरेटिव एक रखा है. My bags, oh sorry, this is meant to be here. My little comb and all section. This is my makeup section, still bad. This is my basic section and this is what it looks like. मेरा walk-in closet या मेरा closet कभी भी अच्छा नहीं रह सकता because it's me and I cannot keep it clean. So comment down below if you think कि ये कितना टाइम तक ऐसे clean रहेगा. Let's see. मतलब मेरी मम्मी मेरे को every week चिल्लाती तो है कि इसको नीट कर. But let's see. Guys, let me know. What do you think about this? Guys, so I have Siley Young. What's up, baby? Siley Young, trying to be cute. I am. Bye, baby. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ना जाओ छोड़ के.
भाग रही हूँ मैं तेरे से.
अभी तो तू मुझसे रोज़ मिलेगी ना. तो मुझसे रोज़ मिल, हम दोनों रोमांस मारेंगे. ट्राई कर, मैं बहुत मारेगी.